guys, today we're going to show you how to make a medkit. I already have it here, and you have to make a script inside of it. The tool :destroy here is optional. All it does is it deletes the entire thing after you use it. You can set this number to how much health you want your character to gain after using it. So that's all we need. Let's test it out. Let's put it in the starter pack and let's go. Alright, so we're in. Wait, I gotta damage myself first with HD admin. Let's just damage myself. Alright, now with the med pack, I can heal up. But there's no effects or anything. I can add a sound, but that is a thing for another video. So that was it for today. If you liked it or found it helpful, then like it and subscribe for ultra explanation. And bye.